Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.